I'm ready to hear the rest of the story.
I have been talking a lot because he has been doing lots of stuff that is a no-no at school.
What is he doing?
Can you keep your eyes focused and don't worry about him? Can you keep your eyes focused and don't worry about him?
Yes.
What was I supposed to do with my lips again?
Keep them closed. And don't worry about him. Worry about focused eyes. If you're too giggly sitting, we have a giggle room. And I have lots of kids in there.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I'm good. I won't giggle. I want to hear the rest of the story.
You're giggling. One more giggle and you're out of here.
I'm sorry.
One more giggle and you're out of here.
Where do I have to go?
Okay, now try not to giggle this
Okay.
time.
I'm trying not to.
One more giggle and you're out and you go to the giggle room.
Can I have some Kleenex though?
Sure.
Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm going to be good. I'm going to drink my tea and I'm going to listen to your story.
We can't have drinks in this room.
Sure. Okay, I'll set it on the warmer over here. Okay.
Is the phone on? I think the phone needs to go to a phone room.